Hello, Julie from Technique Tuesday here with a new coloring project video. This month, Tam and I get traded, so I get to work with a new Animal House set, Olive the Octopus. Watch for her Sunny Flowers project coming soon. To start, I'm setting up my palette, smearing my distressed inks onto an acrylic block. I've stamped Olive and her fishy friends onto Canson watercolor paper using a quick-drying waterproof ink. I have my trusty water pen here, as well as a piece of paper towel for blotting. I decided that I wanted to use some unusual colors in my octopus, so I'm starting with a bit of broken china, which I use a water wash to spread around more evenly. I'll lay down a water wash next, going over most of the piece. To make this easier, I've squeezed a little bead of water onto my work surface. It helps me regulate the amount of water I'm using. Once the wash is done, I'll start bringing in more color. When I chose this color palette, I did a bit of testing on a scrap paper to see how the colors would work together. I decided that while the blue works with both, the Twisted Citron and Dusty Concord do not play well together. Instead, they turn into a muddy mess. So I decided that they would stay separate, with the green and blue together in the main body, and the purple and a bit of blue in the undersides of the tentacles. I work the colors in, adding more and more intensity as I go, until I find a balance that I like between the green and the blue. When I'm mostly happy with the main body, I start in on the undersides, adding my water wash and then the first bits of purple. Now, I could have waited until the first section was dry to start my purples. In that case, the colors wouldn't have bled together. However, I can control that a bit even so, and this does give the piece a nice painterly feel. I was also interested in making this a quick piece, so this whole project only took about 15 minutes to color, which is fun because I can make several different versions and color combinations in a fairly short amount of time. I fumbled my brush a little, which left a purple streak, but because it's in the white area and my plan was to die cut these out eventually anyway, I'm not worried about it. Even if I weren't planning to cut them out, because these inks are water-based, working some water into the streak would make it easy to dilute and blend into other colors. I keep adding color, going back and forth between the green and purple areas until the intensity is what I want, and any bleeding color has been removed or blended in. I also then go in and paint Olive's friends, alternating stripes on the one and a green-blue blend on the other. I'm really happy with my finished piece, as I am with all the different color combos I've created recently. Olive doesn't have to be any specific color, so I've had a lot of fun coming up with new ideas. I've really enjoyed making the cards I finished. One using the background die from the Gears on the Border set, another using the Bubbles on the Border die set, and the last using the new Waves on the Border set. thanks for watching. I hope you've enjoyed watching and that you've seen something you can use on your next project. Have a great day.